too.
Good boy. Go get it.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, I want that. Oh, go get it. Look. I got the ball. Come on. Oh, I know. What's that, buddy? Look at the camera, Buster! Buster, look at the camera! Oh, Buster! Okay. Oh, there you go. Yep. Oh. Oh, yeah, he just jumped it without any of my... Oh. Yeah, there's a cat in the way. Come on, Buster.
Cat jam.
Cat jam! He's probably getting tired. Look, Buffy! Why do you make those noises? Oh, don't actually is all the way over. Oh, Buffy! Ouch. Go. Don't actually is all the way over because he gets confused. Oh, look there! I'm getting tired. Okay, so
This is Dog Doing Tricks. Yes, I hope you enjoyed. Next episode is Jack, Daisy, and her brother.
look at the cute puppy.
And we're also making a Minecraft series, so check that out. We've only got episode 1, so
Ouch, he's biting me.
we're gonna upload some videos soon. So please be sure to like, subscribe,
Okay.
and tell us if there's anything you want us to do on our channel, and we'll do it. So yeah.
Comment, rate, and subscribe. Woo! Oh, come on, Buster. Woo! Leap of faith. Okay, bye, guys.